This video is for anybody who is going to participate in a draft for shifts, days, or weeks. The administrator for your group will have signed you up or sent you a link to add yourself. Use your OnlineDraft account to log in. You are connected to OnlineDraft groups using your email address. Any groups you belong to should show up when you log in. We'll select the OnlineDraft group for this demo. The group page has days, partners, and draft. We'll start with days. Here are all the days in our draft. We have 2 shifts for several days in July. Let's take a look at the calendar. And here are these draftable shifts in a calendar view. The partners page is straightforward. All the other draft participants are listed here. Now let's go to the draft overview page. The live draft is linked at the top, but let's first look at My Settings. If auto draft is on, picks will be made for you automatically. The prevent setting will prevent shifts from being selected on the same day if auto draft is on. Turn emails and turn text will send you email or text messages when it's your turn. Auto skip will skip any future picks that you own. Let's look at days ranked. On this screen, you could rank all the days or shifts or weeks in the draft before the draft begins. Use the up or down arrow to move a shift up or down in your list. Enter a number and hit the check mark to move a day or shift to a specific location. Save these changes, and now let's go to the live draft. On the live draft page, we have the draft chat, and then below that, available days. The rankings that we set in the previous screen are there in the left column. Below that are the selected days, and that will fill up as the draft begins. Then we have draft order in the right column, and above that we have our draft settings and the draft status. Now let's wait for the draft to begin. Your group administrator actually starts the draft, and there it's begun. Dale has the first pick, so we'll wait for him to make his pick. We have the second pick, so it's almost our turn. And there Dale's made his pick, and now it's shown in green that it's our turn. Down in the available days section, we can now make our selection. When making your pick from the live draft page, you can sort by date, day of week, rank, description, or time slot. Click the check mark in the select column, and then click select day to make your pick. Alternatively, you can pick from the calendar, so let's do that. We'll click on pick from calendar, and all the shifts in green are still available to be selected. We'll choose the one we want. We'll hit select, and then we'll make our pick. And now let's return to the live draft page. And we can see now that it's pick number 3. The draft continues like this until all the picks are made. After the draft is over, you can view the draft results. Here's everything in a list view. We can click on our name in the left column to see only our days or shifts. And of course, we can select the calendar view to see everything in the calendar. The dark blue shifts are our shifts. Now you're ready to draft shifts, days, or weeks with OnlineDraft.